Is this video gonna win a Spirit Award? Do people use smartphones to do dumb things?
What's up, guys? How's it going? It's your freshman year. I hope you're excited. It's gonna be pretty sweet. Aren't you guys like super pumped? We got some cool amenities you can hit up, like the gym.
A little less conversation, a little more action, please. All this aggravation ain't satisfaction in me. A little more bite, a little less bark, a little less fight, a little more spark. Close your mouth and
Wow, Zach, that's some great form. Don't pull a hamstring. Also, you guys don't download any movies or hit up Netflix. Don't do any music either. You don't get sued by Kanye.
Yeah. No, homie.
What?
You do it. You do it. Hold up. Yo, damn you, ho. Where you been? Undergrads doing rec clips. Pirated.
Hey y'all, Taylor Swift here. Just wanted to say, what really hurts me is when you pirate my music. It's not nice. Also, I really hate when people kill pandas. You should have said no, you should have gone home, you should have thought twice before you let it all go.
Don't climb on CCM or any of that stuff.
Me house be over there.
Yeah, dude, this roof is awesome. We're like so high up, I like spitting on people and stuff, you know?
Watch this, ready?
Hey, what are you guys doing up there?
Alright, next on the agenda, Greg's RA program proposal. Greg?
Hey guys, I'm just gonna throw a little proposal your way for the fall quarter. I'm pretty excited. What I want to do is I want to take everyone skydiving, and Chuck Norris is gonna be there. So I believe you guys to vote. I think, yeah, cool. Okay, all right. Well, I'm gonna head out. Thank you guys. Okay, bye.
That was the latest
I call a motion.
I second that motion.
Okay, motion to vote. I'm assuming. All in favor of Greg's proposal? All in favor? All opposed? Abstaining? Bring Greg back. Greg, none of us thought your program was that good. We failed it. Sorry. Come back with something else.
Oh, did I tell you there was gonna be pizza? Alright guys, I'm going to need you to do your roommate agreement. It's pretty simple, pretty basic, you know, just discuss some things and, you know, talk about how you guys like to share food, or if you don't, or what you like and what you don't like about certain topics, if that's cool. Is that cool?
Yeah, man. I mean, you know, it's just...
Alright.
Just
Alright, cool. Well, just get that to me by the end of the night and, we'll talk later, alright?
Alright.
How you doing, guys? Thanks.
You want...
You're not getting any of my food.
Whatever, dude. I will take your food, eat it on a merry-go-round, and have the centripetal force throw it wastefully.
Did you say centrifugal force or centripetal?
No, I said centripetal.
Okay, I think what you meant was, okay, so that's not even a word. Centripetal force and centrifugal force are two very different things. You need to understand them when you're talking about...
Are you trying to science me right now?
Science
you? Are you trying to get even centrifugal, man? Go on, dude! What are you talking about? No!
Whoa. Settle this down, alright? This is not necessary at all. Okay? We're gonna settle settle this like men.
You do realize that I'm a trained Jedi Master.
I don't realize that.
Please, you don't want to end it like this. Yes, you do. You don't understand the forces. You're not worth it. Worth what? My life. For some reason, this elevator is here.
Hey, hold on.
Yeah.
Yeah? How's that lightsaber fight going?
Not too bad.
Pretty good? He has good forehand.
Yeah, you're definitely formidable back.
Very understandable. Alright, well, you guys have a good one, okay?
Crazy man. Don't understand your physics, you don't understand your physics. You think it's the criminal. That doesn't make any sense. That don't make sense. No, it doesn't. That's like a job. Oh, my lightsaber. Centrifugal!
Alright, you guys better get pumped, because this year's gonna be awesome. Sadal for one and one for Sadal.
Okay, ready? Everybody still. Okay. 1, 2,
7.
3.
D-
What are we doing? Okay.
That's just our picture at the end.
Okay.